Jesus said to his disciples, I've got to go away, but as you see me leave this place, I'll return again someday. It could be in the morning, it may be night or noon. We just don't know the hour, but we know he's coming soon. I'm gonna be caught up to meet him the moment when I rise. I'll be changed in that moment, in the twinkling of an eye. He'll stand by to greet me, on a cloud we're gonna fly. Oh, what joy awaits me the moment when I rise. I've been waiting for the moment to hear the trumpet sound. When Jesus comes to claim his bride, all the saints will leave the ground. We've got to keep on watching, it can't be very long. We'll reign with him forever when he takes the church on home. I'm gonna be